van a abrir su PowerPoint y van a empezar. Hello, my name is Ms. Sanchez. I am a teacher. My project today is about my family. I made a PowerPoint. This is my slide of my daughter. Her name is Rosalia. This is the slide of my grandkids. This is Nahia. This is Haciel. This is Sebastián. This is Tlali, and this is Sol. They are 7, 8, and 3 years old. I love to spend time with them and love them very much. This is the slide about me. I will share my personal information. My name is Irene Martinez Sanchez, and I am from Calexico. What I love is being with my family. This is my slide of my family. My family is very important to me because they are always with me in good and bad times. We like to go to the beach and spend time together during special times like birthdays and holidays. Thank you for listening to my presentation. What did I learn from this project? With this project, I learned que tengo que hacer mi tarea y practicar mi vocabulario porque si no, no voy a poder hacer mis trabajos. What was one exciting thing or experience this semester? One exciting thing this semester is, una cosa que me gustó es aprender cómo trabajar con los estudiantes que estaban en la clase y con los estudiantes que estaban en casa. One worry for me this semester. Algo que me preocupó mucho este semestre fue que tenía que aprender muchas cosas a la misma vez. Y eso me causó poca preocupación. Thank you for your time.